Welcome to Psych IRL, my name is Donna. First things first is I'm the realist. This is going to be a less produced video than usual because this week I am going to be at VidCon London. I don't want to just leave you with one video this week, so I am uploading this for you. If you want something deeper and more well produced, stay tuned till Friday because that will be coming up soon. There's an interesting thing going on in the space and I like to call it controversy marketing, and it's causing controversy to make your own channel grow. There's this channel called ImJayStation, and I think that is what he's trying to do at least. He's known for making these 3 a.m. videos where he does crazy things at 3 a.m. and a ghost haunts him, or I don't know, this doll comes to life or something. Like, look at this.
Guys, if it picks up, oh my god, bro!
You're calling me again, JayStation. You must be brave.
Oh my god!
Hey?
Are you my evil twin?
Some would say that a lot of his content is quite cringy. Personally, I don't care if your content is cringy. If it gets you views and it makes you money, then so be it. And if it's fake, it doesn't really matter. What's the difference really between that and a skit? Or videos done by McJuggernuggets or Ash Vlogs. The controversial thing that kind of annoys me about him is he has stolen some people's gameplay.
After he found out that JayStation stole his gameplay and put it on his channel, he confronted him on Twitter, and this is what JayStation had to say in response. Bitch, KYS, I can use your gameplay if I want. I'm getting way more views off your original video on mine. Fortnite owns it, not you.
And he's exploited a number of celebrities' deaths. JayStation has been criticized by Keemstar before.
My goal is to get the most views, obviously. That's not a bad motherfucking thing. Stop saying it is. Stop saying it is. You jealous. You jealous. Stop. Stop saying this bad thing to want views, bro.
And guess what? It didn't hurt his channel. His channel is doing just fine. And so this is why I think that he's doing this kind of content. He's trying to provoke certain people into getting mad so that he's gonna get talked about again. Because in early January, Logan Paul said this.
February is
fatal February.
the exact
We're gonna
opposite.
go the opposite.
Oh,
So like
okay.
day
All
one,
right.
steaks, like big bottles of Tito's and shit, like
Hell
just
yeah.
wilding out.
And then March.
Yeah.
What is it? Male only March.
Why don't you say this part?
So it's male only March. We're gonna attempt to go gay for just 1 month.
For 1
Oh,
month,
damn.
and then swing, and then go back.
That's crazy.
But yeah, so
And it made a lot of people mad. It also made a lot of people defend him. And isn't it strange that in January 23, he makes this video? Let's actually watch some of this content.
We went back onto the dark web and we actually discovered there's a gay potion, guys. Some potion that if you drink will turn anybody gay for exactly 1 hour, guys. This is crazy, okay? I'm a straight guy. Are you straight? I'm a straight guy. I'm not gay.
I love how they had to clarify that. Just so you know, not gay. I'm 100% not gay.
Do it. Dude. Oh, let me see you drink it. Gargle it so we know it's there.
Also, why would you drink a gay potion with your male best friend? He didn't drink the whole thing though, and there's no dosage on this thing, so maybe it's only gonna last 30 minutes. You're not gonna get the full effects. What the hell? This video is a ripoff.
How's it feel?
Like I feel like a little weird vibe, you know?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh man. Guys.
Bro, what the hell?
Oh my god.
I drank a lot too.
Yeah,
Oh my
bro.
God,
Maybe
bro.
you're gonna change for 2 hours.
No, bro, no.
What if you're stuck like this, bro?
Huh? Stop.
Yeah, that's typical gay behavior. Every single gay man does that.
Feels nice.
Does this turn you on if I touch you?
Yeah, touch. Ooh, that's sick, huh?
Hey,
Oh, what?
What are you doing?
What am I doing? I can feel your beard.
No.
It looks nice.
No.
It looks nice.
No.
Feel it.
No.
Oh, damn. What?
Bro. Oh my
bro?
god. Is
What?
it working?
He touches his hand. Did it work yet? I don't know if it worked yet.
Yeah. Let's do it. Oh, bro. Yo, why'd you kiss me? What do you mean? You just kissed me.
What do you mean? You don't like the kiss?
Bro, why'd you kiss me?
Oh, okay. Like, you don't like the kiss. Like, I don't like to talk to you then.
They should have probably called this video Potion That Turns You into James Charles. They're identical. These two people are, look, twins.
Bro, don't freaking touch me. Oh my god.
Hold on, what was that? He tripped on nothing.
What the hell?
This potion also makes you commit sexual assault. They should have put that on the disclaimer. Alright, let's move on to the next video. This time, JayStation is the one that drinks the gay potion.
Whoa, what is that, makeup?
I don't know, and look at this.
What?
Whoa.
No, wait.
It's like a purple.
What is that makeup? This video should have been really called Turning into James Charles. I swear you could have.
Look at this, and there's a mirror. Oh my god, what does he think I'm gonna put on all this stuff?
That mirror was yours. It didn't even come out of the package. What are you talking about? Honestly, the more frustrating thing to me is how they keep messing up on their own script.
Whoa.
No, bro.
I sort of feel sort of cool, bro.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Why are you feeling yourself, bro?
I don't know.
Okay, relax,
Okay,
G.
I'm just kidding.
Relax. Yo, chill out, fam.
Hey.
Relax, bro. Don't touch me, dog.
This is basically the same video as last time, except they switched roles. You know, he's touching himself. Now he's putting on makeup.
Juicy Cucumber Palette by JayStation. This is gonna be so spectacular. So do you already
Oh my
see a
god, let's
difference?
see. Yeah, I see a big difference, bro.
Bro, you look like you have a black eye. Still a better job than me, though.
You know what you're doing, Jay? Oh my god, you look nice.
You think?
Yeah, bro, you look nice. Oh my god, you look like a prostitute, bro.
Stop, Jay. That's rude. Okay.
I'm joking.
Okay, I'll admit that made me laugh. That was the best part of this video.
Oh my god, you're looking better than ever.
You think so,
Yeah,
sexy?
yeah, I got you.
Ooh, you're sweet. And put it on a little bit on the other cheek right here. And guys, there we go. You guys think that looks good? Oh my god.
Oh my god, bro, you did
You
it.
know what would be an even better video if they drink the gay potion at the same time? No, but seriously, do you guys remember that time when people were monetizing two guys kissing each other? They even mentioned it in a Paint song.
I idolize your idol eyes, and I'm monetizing kissing guys, and I won't come out the closet till I've got something to sell about it.
And I want everybody to comment on that picture. I'm ImJayStation, okay? Because now I'm ImJayStation right now. Like, look at me. Of course I'm gay. Come on.
Obviously, from him saying that, it is quite clear to me what he's trying to do. He's trying to trigger a community of people that think that gay stereotypes and stereotyping gay people is wrong, because he has been called GayStation by Keemstar and his fans numerous times. So he is trying to piss off a certain demographic to get more attention and to get more views.
So, say cheese.
Gee.
Cheese. Oh! Hey!
Whoa!
This is exactly like his previous videos. Could they not have been any more lazier? They could have drawn out a different skit, you know? And of course, it ends the same way. Now, their gay series ends with, so far, it's we made out Kermit the Frog drinking the gay potion. I don't know if I could watch this. If it's the same exact video again, except this time it's with Kermit the Frog. Alright, this one's only 11 minutes or so, so let's try. So, Kermit the Frog, right off the bat, Kermit the Frog is in makeup. Oh, surprising!
What did you do on your eyes? Wow.
Do I look froggy? You, I don't know. You look something else, Kermit.
Hey, come here. I want to give you a big kiss.
No! Kermit, get away from me!
I'm not gonna lie, I was really curious on how they were gonna do a gay Kermit the Frog accent.
If you give me a kiss, I'll leave you forever.
You will.
Yeah, I'll leave you forever.
Okay, Kermit, you promise.
Yeah, but I want a make out kiss for 30 seconds.
For 30 seconds?
Yeah, the J Nation wants to see it.
Guys, you want to see that? Oh my god.
3, 2, 1. I've been really trying, baby. Trying to hold back this feeling.
We can never unsee that. Okay, so it's pretty obvious what JayStation is trying to do. Again, it's very coincidental that right after the Logan Paul podcast of Logan Paul saying that he's going gay for 1 month, he makes these videos. Very coincidental. And I think this is a perfect example of someone trying to cause controversy for people to start talking about him more, because no matter how much controversy there is, his audience is not the same type of audience as someone who watches commentary. So he's gonna get more attention regardless. And in the grand scheme of things, I'm a small channel compared to everyone else, so I don't really think it makes a difference if I talk about it or not.
You're fucking irrelevant.
But if this gets picked up by bigger commentary channels or drama channels, Keemstar, whatever, he's probably gonna blow up. And it's so crazy to me that we're seeing that more and more. People are becoming less afraid of causing controversy because they know it doesn't really hurt them, and in fact, it makes them grow if you have a certain type of content that you make. Especially if your audience is kids, Controversy no longer hurts people that make kid type content. If you look at these videos, they have 1 million+ views and they don't even have that many dislikes. So the main strategy for these channels is always to anger someone that's not in your demographic. And once you cause some sort of emotion, it may hurt you in the short term, but it doesn't matter in the long run because those people weren't gonna stay anyway. But it has affected you somehow on the algorithm, getting you more attention. More kids are gonna be showing your content and you're gonna grow. So that's kind of the basics of controversy marketing. And it's so interesting that we're seeing a lot more of that now. Again, I'm gonna come up with a more well-produced video this Friday, so stay tuned for that. But I'll be at VidCon London, so I hope to see you there. That's the end of the video. I will see you guys next time. Stay psyched.